Speaking of crime and punishment, the Nueces County District Attorney's Office says 90 days after its cite and release program started, it's been pretty successful. Now, cite and release gives law enforcement officers the discretion to give people citations for certain types of minor crimes rather than taking them to jail. Our Nikila Pradier is live at the county courthouse tonight with more on that. And Nikila, we understand that nearly 400 citations have been issued these first 3 months.
And Lee, the result of that, according to the DA's office, is savings in taxpayer dollars with fewer people in jail and also a safer community with local officers free to respond to more serious crimes. Nueces County is the first county in Texas to implement this type of program of this magnitude, cite and release for 7 different misdemeanors. The district attorney's office says the numbers from the first 90 days reflect the program's effectiveness. 371 citations were issued, saving the county over $22,000 after program maintenance costs.
Which, if you look at that trend, means that the district attorney's office will save the Nueces County taxpayers $90,000 through the rest of 2019.
First Assistant DA Matt Manning says the savings come because those offenders aren't arrested and taken to jail.
Now we don't have to pay the $81 a day to incarcerate Nikila Pradier. We don't have to pay the associated medical costs during the course of her incarceration. Instead, she comes in and she's able to atone for her crime here at the Nueces County Courthouse.
When those cite and release cases are heard, the punishment and consequences for the offenders are still the same. It's just a different way of them getting there. So far, the DA's office says they're showing up at a 50% rate, which is 10% higher than the state average. While the office continues to monitor the results, Manning says there wouldn't be a good running start without the support of our local law enforcement and county judges.
We've been very, very pleased by the buy-in. This is not just us. We're the face you see on TV, but there are a lot of other entities that are involved, all of whom have come together to, create some early success in the program.
And the majority of citations issued under the program so far have been for possession of marijuana and driving with an invalid license. Now, Manning says that because of recent changes in state law, those numbers may drop. However, he adds that citations for other charges under the program, including theft and possession of a controlled substance, may increase. Lee?
All right, thank you very much, Nikila. By the way, those cite and release cases are heard on the 2nd and 4th Wednesdays of every month, and folks who don't show up get a second notice, and if they fail to appear a second time, it's up to the prosecutor to decide what will happen to them.